Hey guys, how's it going? Okay, so for a lot of you have been asking the question, what hosting should we choose for the e-commerce and for the other website as well. So far, I have been having great experience with Cloudways as well as SiteGround. So I usually recommend only these two, but recently Cloudways is getting better and better. And I have about like many websites hosted here, and this is just one single account. So you guys can see I'm in the server section here. I have about 17 different servers, and this is just one account. I have about, I think, 8 different accounts, and each of them has about same amount of servers, like 15 to 17, or some of them has even more than that. And as you guys can see, I have about many websites hosted on each of these servers, because I do run marketing campaign for different affiliate offers, and as well as for my different clients. So yeah, and bunch of them has even my e-commerce store, which are doing perfectly great. And the good thing about the cloud-based servers is you do have the scalability options. So whenever you feel like you're about to get the more traffic, like let's say like yesterday it was a Black Friday. As you guys can see, I'm recording this video on 13 November. So as I was driving more traffic to my campaign yesterday, with a lot of different campaigns with Google Ads, Facebook, and Instagram. So I knew a lot of traffic is going to be over my website. So it was really easy for me to scale up the server. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys the heads up, because I was getting a lot of questions regarding the hosting platform, which to choose and what not to choose. So yeah, I would prefer to choose the Cloudways since they are getting better and better. And yeah, I guess you guys would love their platform. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.